If you want to delete an app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, the process is quick and straightforward. In less than 2 minutes, you can remove apps you no longer use and free up valuable storage space on your device. To begin, unlock your Galaxy S26 Ultra and find the app you want to remove. You can either locate it directly on your home screen or swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app drawer where all your installed applications are displayed. Once you find the app, press and hold the app icon for a few seconds. A menu will appear with several options related to that application. From this menu, tap Uninstall. Your phone will then display a confirmation message asking if you are sure you want to remove the app. Carefully review the prompt and tap OK or Uninstall to confirm your choice. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will immediately begin removing the application from your device. After a few moments, the app and its associated data will be deleted, giving you more storage space and helping keep your phone organized. Keep in mind that some pre-installed Samsung or Android system apps cannot be completely uninstalled. In those cases, you may see a disable option instead, which prevents the app from running and removes it from your app list. That's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can quickly uninstall unwanted apps on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and keep your device running smoothly and efficiently.